Okay, we completed the communications considerations of IoT. Now we are going to understand the complexities of networks. So this is one of the topic we are going to understand, that is complexity of networks. So that means there are lots of complexities whenever establishing a network in IoT devices. So whenever we are considering the IoT devices, it must be communicated with each other for storing the data, for measuring different types of operations and performing different types of tasks. These all things will be developed and maintained through different types of communication channels. For the purpose of communication, we need to have a complexity of networks will be there. So networks, whenever uh, we are going to understand regarding networks, we must consider the complexity of networks. So what are the complexities of networks here? The growth of networks. The growth of networks means once a network was established, for example, an organization established a small network, so which is used to perform a smart task. Once this particular smart task is completed, it will be elaborated to the new level. Then what happened means we need to improve the growth of the network. That means we need to attach the network to the another network for the better performance and no scalability of data and reliability of data. We need to attach the more network, because of lots of communication will be done through the networks. So that means growth of networks will be, so one of the complexities of network, because we need to establish the network using different types of network configurations. Network administrators must be there. Lots of empowerment of the small organizations whenever considering this IoT. And next thing here is interference among devices. Interference among devices, that means there are different, for example, one IoT device with one type of configuration and different types of protocols, which is it is used to interact with another type of IoT device with different types of configuration and different types of protocols. So one IoT device in one network is used to interact with another IoT device in another network. So there is a lots of complexities. So there must be different types of protocol conversions must be there. Like this, there are lots of socket programming or web sockets they have to develop. So these all things is going to be considered, because of that is the part of complex networks. And network management, if you go for a network management, there are different types of protocols that was used. For example, for local area network, if I want to establish a local area network, then i have to I have to create a LAN. I have a minimum hub. So I am going to I have to connect all the different computers in a particular small area. So all the pins will be connected to hub, and then each computer will be interacted with each other. So that is the concept of computers and a network. So whenever we are going for a network management, so the network administrator must be there. They have to establish the network. There is different types of, they have to assign IP address for each and every device. They have to maintain the mask address. They have to consent the security protocols whenever the data is transferring from one area to another area. So this is also one of the complexity of network. Managing of the network is also complex. And heterogeneity in networks, for example, one network is using one type of configuration and one type of protocol, another network is using another type of configuration with another type of protocols, set of protocols. Then this network is used to communicate with another network. Then that is known as heterogeneity in networks. So still the devices or nodes whatever you are applying or you are developing, uh, that must be considered the complexity of networks, that is heterogeneity in networks, protocol standardization within networks. I already tell that every particular protocol is having certain standards, they have to follow that thing. Similarly, every IoT device is also having certain standards that may be followed by the devices and organizations. So one protocol standards will be applied to one IoT device, another protocol will be used by the another IoT device which have different types of protocol standards. Those without any no disturbance, there must be accurate communication between the IoT device to another IoT device. So protocol standards within the network is also a complex task. We must go through that. Please refer these all things once again. So this is the last topic of Unit 3. So we already understand the considerations. We already understand the IoT challenges. Please go through that. Okay. So this is the thing. If you go for the syllabus, we have in the unit 3 we have convergence of domains of IoT. We understand it. Components, functional components, we understand it of IoT. If you go like this, one second. These all things we covered, like interdependencies of IoT, service oriented architecture, IoT categories, IoT gateway, IoT associated technologies, technical deviations from regular web. I already tell the key technologies, these all things. Please go through that. So we completed the third unit. We will go and understand the next part in the next class. Please give your attendance. Thank you.